Good morning, everyone. I'm Richard Allen with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. Happy Wednesday, everyone. You can rejoice. This is my last day covering for Julie, so you will see her very, very soon. But of course, today on your pre-market morning update, we're going to cover your stock market news, notable earnings reports, and obviously your top gainers and losers, which I think some of you may be excited about. This is your reminder, if you enjoyed today's video, let us know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And one thing before we get into stock market news, the top link in the description of this video will be the video link for this video on tipranks.com/TV, where we can continue this discussion. If you have questions for me or you want to comment, click that top link there in the description and check out tipranks.com/TV, and we can discuss things over there. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Well, we're finally getting some news from the Federal Reserve on whether or not we're going to get a rate hike. That's happening today at about 1 p.m. Eastern. So that's coming out, and stock markets are well into the green today. Dow futures are up over 1%, S&P 500 futures up 1.21%, and NASDAQ futures up 1.72%. In other news, JP Morgan is going to be acquiring Global Shares, a cloud-based share plan management software services provider, to bolster their software portfolio. It's rumored that this acquisition will cost JP Morgan $730 million. With this impending acquisition, JP Morgan will eventually add Global Shares' wide client base of over 600 corporations and almost $200 billion in assets under administration. In other news, we have DraftKings strengthening their NFT position with new sports NFT series. Ticker symbol DKNG recently announced its Prime Time NFT series. With this launch, DraftKings is looking to increase the engagement of sports enthusiasts on its platform. Let me know what you guys think about this new DraftKings thing and that they're them jumping into the NFT space. It seems like the big craze right now. In other news, you're going to see when we get to top gainers that big news from China. And I was looking at top gainers today and I'm like, whoa, what's going on? It looks like the Chinese government is finally realizing how important the equities market is to their country. In a brief statement carried by state media, China's top financial policy body vowed to ensure stability in capital markets, support overseas stock listings, resolve risks around property developers, and complete the crackdown on big tech as soon as possible. Now, if you've paid attention to any Chinese stocks at all, you know that they have been crushed over the past 12 months, in most cases far more than US equities. Like Alibaba, for instance, it seems to be one of the most undervalued stocks in the entire world right now. It really, really does, based on their price to sales ratios and things like that. But what do you guys think about this? I know there's a mixed opinions out there about Chinese stocks, but do you think this adds more certainty, and are you willing to invest in Chinese stocks now? Click that top link in the description and let me know your thoughts. That's it for stock market news. Let's move on to notable earnings reports. SentinelOne, ticker symbol S, reports upbeat Q4 results. The company reported an adjusted loss of 17 cents per share, which was 1 cent ahead of the street's estimate loss of 18 cents. Notably, though, it was a significant improvement over the previous year's loss of 84 cents per share. Revenues jumped 120% year over year to $65.6 million and exceeded consensus estimates of $60.65 million. In other earnings, we have the used vehicle marketplace, LOTZ, reporting stronger than expected results for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2021. LOTZ reported quarterly revenues of $83.1 million, up 124% from the same quarter last year. This surpassed the consensus estimate of $72.95 million and had a year-over-year rise of 102.4%. In after hours, we're looking here from Lennar Corporation, ticker symbol LEN. But without further ado, let's jump over to your gainers and losers. Let's mix it up a little bit this morning because you already know sort of what's coming for your top gainers, but I want to go over your top losers first. We have Smartsheet, ticker symbol SMAR, down 5.7% in pre-market. Norton LifeLock, ticker symbol NLOK, down 5% as well in pre-market. Followed by Charter Communication in the number 3 spot, ticker symbol CHTR, down 5% as well. So nothing crazy there, right, for your top losers. But let's switch over to gainers. You can see that all of the top 5 stocks right now on your top gainers, pre-market movers, are all Chinese stocks. We have BEKE, 42% up today. Diddy Global up 37%. Pinduoduo up 32%. Full Truck Alliance up 30%. Bilibili up 30% as well. And I just took a peek at Alibaba. That is up about 18% as of recording this video in pre-market, but still under $100 per share. So I want to ask you guys this question one more time, and if you want to discuss it, click the top link in the description. Does this change your mind at all on Chinese stocks? The Chinese government's stance on changing their outlook on the equities market? Does it change your opinion at all? Are you willing to invest in some of these companies that have really been beat down a lot over the past 12 to 18 months? Let me know. All right, guys, thank you so much for letting me cover for Julie for the past 3 days. I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you learned something new or found some value in this video, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And if you want to continue this discussion, top link in the description will be for this video on the TipRanks TV platform, and we can communicate over there. All right, see you in the next one.